So, have you experienced breakup in life?
Who hasn't? That was the first time जब मेरा दिल टूटा था और
Man, that must be very painful.
yeah. Then I moved to Bombay. So I was in Delhi back then. They felt that I'm not good enough or cool enough to be associated with me. So I was thrown out of my band.
In your face, people, she's your.
No, but I didn't know much. So right now I've taken a conscious decision to not compose for films.
Oh,
Maybe it's temporary, I don't know. But right now I feel like not doing it. Again, like when I just came out of India's Got Talent and I got a little bit of fame, so I started traveling for shows. Like I didn't have a manager or anything. I would get a call from an event company and I would just land out.
Hi guys, my name is Disha and you're watching News 18 Shosha. Today we have with us Jasleen Royal talking about her new song, Asi Sajna. Hi Jasleen.
Hi Disha.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I loved the song. It's on loop since I've heard. What inspired you to make this song?
Just life, you know, like when I write songs, it's the mood that I'm in that particular moment or that week or that month. And I composed this exactly around this time last year. So it was feeling like really nice. The weather was amazing. It felt like the perfect summer song. So it's like in my head, it's about all things love, like that perfect cup of coffee, that drive, those like your friends, your partner, anybody that you love, and it's just about that, just feeling happy.
You know, the music video stars Rohan from. Wow, I forgot his
Made in
name.
Heaven. He's
Kho Gaye Hum Kahan was my reference. And how is it working with him?
Oh, he's really, really good. Like, he's very quick. So, I'm not an actor. I just feature in my music videos because I produce them. So, also, it's my songs. I'm like, okay. And he's damn good and he helped me out in certain scenes. And, you know, he has that training. Like, you have to be sad, he'll be like sad like this. Like, just be happy, just be goofy. So he has so many expressions that I didn't know existed as a human being. Like, I'm like, wow.
Did he give you acting tips?
Of course. Like, I said, how do I do this? How do I do that? And he was very helpful. He's too good.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
The video is shot in Thailand, if I'm right.
Yeah, and Goa.
And Goa.
Yeah.
So it's more like you also had an holiday of sorts while making this video.
Yeah, I would say that we had a lot of fun shooting that video, also because the destinations we chose were really fun. So we had a lot of fun, but so this video now is just finished having a lot of fun. We just were a bunch of friends shooting this and making this, and we really enjoyed making this.
You know, there's an underlying tone of breakup as well. While there are so many love
Correct.
moments, there's also you exploring yourself. So, have you experienced breakup in life?
Who hasn't? And also, मेरे को लगता है like you can experience heartbreak any time or every time you're very attached to something. Like it could be a work, it could be a friend, it could be a partner, it could be anything. Like I remember the first ever heartbreak that I felt in my life was when I was just chucked out of my own band. So yeah, that was the first time it hit me. Like ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो I had that rockstar moment कि दिल टूटता है तभी संगीत
The timing of this reference of the movie still like re-released and everything and everybody's still watching it.
हाँ, that was the first time जब मेरा दिल टूटा था और
Man, that must be very painful.
yeah. Then I moved to Bombay. So I was in Delhi back then. So we had a band and I'm a self-taught musician, so I don't blame them. I was also learning, like trying to learn, and they felt that I'm not good enough or cool enough to be associated with me. So I was thrown out of my band. And
In your face, people, she's your.
No, but I didn't know much. So it's okay. I just feel like it could have been gentle. So then I left Delhi. I think that was it. Like, कि अभी दिल्ली में कुछ रखा ही नहीं, अब क्या करूँ? So then I moved to Bombay, and maybe that was the universe's push for me to get out of Delhi.
Lately, there are a lot of independent music that is coming out. It feels like, you know, how in the 90s people were coming out with independent albums. Now it's
Yeah.
independent music,
Yeah,
music
yeah.
videos. Do you think that Instagram and now from like TikTok in the US is giving you that push that, okay, even if it's not part of a Bollywood film, you'll still reach your audience. You'll
Yeah.
still get a audience that will enjoy your song.
Correct. Yeah, exactly. I feel that the power lies with the artist too now. It's not just the labels or not just the big films. If the song is good, it will travel. So I remember when I released Sangrayo, a song of mine, 3 years ago, I had zero marketing budgets. I just put it out there and little bit of marketing, whatever I could and whatever I knew back then, I just did it and it did nothing. I was like, and I would just, pray to God or the universe that, I want to see that song hitting the charts. I don't know. It was just a thought. And today, like after 3 years, it's hit Spotify top 20, Apple top 100, and it's done so many reels on Instagram. So the point is that a song will travel. Sometimes if you have the money and if the song is good, it will hit its audience instantly. But if it's a good song and you don't have to worry, it'll just find its own audience and it'll travel. So Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Reels, it really helps.
Does algorithm also play a factor when you're composing a song? Like, does that run in the back of your head that, okay, you know what, I also have to cater to the audience that way?
Not really, because so there's a joke like with the people that I work with, they say like तेरे गाने वैसे 3 साल बाद हिट होते हैं. तो अगर वो मेरे को एल्गोरिदम समझ में आता तो मैं फिर वही बनाती जो इंस्टेंट लाइक हिट मशीन होती. तो बिकॉज लाइक हो गए हम कहाँ, दिन शगनादा और संग रही हो, दे ऑल बिकेम हिट सॉन्ग्स after like three years. And even like today, last month, I saw one of my songs from the album Hitchki that I had composed, like go insane on reels on Instagram. I was like, wow, that's the power of music. It just can pick up anytime.
You star in your music videos. You've been coming on camera for us. Do you think that you could take on maybe like small acting roles if offered?
No, not really. Like so basically to mount an indie project, it takes a lot of time, effort, and like you have to go through this. कि एक दिन work कर रहा है, एक दिन नहीं कर रहा है. You have to put it together. So there's a lot that goes behind. So I'm left with no bandwidth to think of another profession, and also to start at something that I don't think I know. I'm not like an actor. So, and I really enjoy doing my music, and I'm not left with any bandwidth to do something else because music consumes me.
Indian music is going from Oscars to Coachella. And do you see yourself at the Coachella stage one day?
Why not? Like, I would love to represent our music on a global stage like Diljit has. And he's been an inspiration. And he's done it fabulously. Like, he's too good.
Are there a list of artists that you have as part of your new bucket list? I mean, you've worked with so many people. Yeah. Is there a refreshed bucket list?
Yeah, of course. Like, I want to work with every artist that I listen to. I want to work with Rahman sir. I want to work with Ali Sethi. I want to work with Diljit. I want to work with Julia Michaels. Like, everybody that I listen to.
Ali Sethi and you would be a fab combination. It'll be so much fun to hear that.
Yeah, he's too good.
He's very good.
Yeah.
Going forward, after this, what kind of projects do you have in store?
So, I have something very, very big coming up next. That's one of my biggest collaborations ever. But we'll meet again for that. That'll be a 5th meeting.
Yes! Who is it with?
Soon, I'll tell you.
Very curious now. And is it a Bollywood project or is it again an independent?
So right now I've taken a conscious decision to not compose for films. Maybe it's temporary, I don't know. But right now I feel like not doing it. Okay. And I really want to keep mounting my indie projects because I love torturing myself.
When did you decide this? And what prompted it?
It's been some time. Like last year only, after Ranjha, I actually decided not to. And if you see, I've not released any song with a film. I'm singing for films, but I'm not like making songs for films. And I've been enjoying it. Like I said, like there are good days and there are like terrible days. So.
I hope this phase ends soon and we get to hear you.
No, but I'm doing what I love anyway. Like right now I don't think I want to be part of a film. Like I said, maybe it's temporary, so I don't know. But right now I feel that strongly.
Makes sense. Thank you. I have a small game segment. It's called My Firsts.
Okay.
and I'm going to ask you a few first related questions.
Wait, yeah. Tricky sound kar raha hai.
You see the questions. If you're comfortable, then we will go ahead. Otherwise, you can pass the question also like that. ठीक है? Your first paycheck.
Oh, I started working when I was 14 years old. So I started teaching music to pay for my own lessons because it can be expensive. I come from a middle class home.
Your first solo trip.
Again, like when I just came out of India's Got Talent and I got a little bit of fame, so I started traveling for shows. Like I didn't have a manager or anything. I would get a call from an event company and I would just land up, and I was enjoying it because I could travel on airplanes and like it's a big deal.
Yeah. What was the destination?
Ahmedabad.
Oh, that's cool. Your first music project.
First music project. Punchy Ho Java. That's released on my YouTube. It was 2012.
Your first date.
My first date. I wouldn't even remember. Like there's been so many. Not like many, but it's been really long back. I don't remember.
And your first heartbreak.
अभी बताया था ना वो before I moved to Bombay, like in Delhi. I think that was 2015, 14, something like that.
That's about it. Were you okay with the questions?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lovely talking to you.
Same here. I'm hoping we meet again.
Yes. For the next one.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.